Are you a Muslim woman who is about to get married, or do you know another Muslim sister who's about to get married? Have you read your wedding papers? Do you know that many of the Islamic wedding papers may take your rights away and you may not even know about it? Let's find out more. Hi, I'm Ruby and this is the Unshaming project. I want to start by showing you my own wedding papers. I want you to focus particularly on this section. Can you see that it is crossed off as not applicable? Yes, you're right. I gave away my right to divorce by signing those papers. But the funny part is, or not so funny part is, that I didn't even read my wedding papers. It was not something that was considered important by the religious teachers to have done. So I signed these and I didn't even know. Later on, when I realized that I was in an abusive marriage, but I didn't have any legal rights to free myself of that marriage. Now, I want to be clear here, I'm not in favor of divorce. I think marriage is very sacred, and I think it's very sad that when two people cannot live in love and harmony and they cannot respect each other. But at the same time, I'm a firm believer that both men and women have full right to choose their own lives, and the right to divorce does not belong to just men. Let's talk about Hazrat Khadija. She was a wealthy businesswoman and she liked Muhammad, peace be upon him, and then she asked for his hand in marriage. What a progressive woman. So when she could do it, and if she could be our role model, we should do it as well. Recently, I met a very young woman at a local mosque. She was insistent that women shouldn't have the right to divorce because they are emotional and emotions can take better of them. I must say it made me feel really sad to hear that. We already hear enough about men are better than us and men are wiser than us from men, but when our own gender, when our own females talk about not having this right, then there is something very wrong in the fabric of the society. So let's change that. Let's start asking for our rights. Let's read our wedding papers, and if we are not okay with this section being crossed off, if we are not okay with giving away our rights, let's speak up about it. If we keep asking for it, they won't be able to shut us up for long. So yes, let's start changing our language. Let's give ourselves respect, and then let's ask for our rights. Thank you very much for your time.